Hello, we're back on the build. We're on the first floor. We're going to be going upstairs into the attic. We're going to be boarding that out today. We've got some Kingspan insulation, 25mm, which we're going to put on over the joists first, and then the trusses, and then we're going to plasterboard onto that. So we've got some studs and stuff going on down here. I'll just take you up here. So this is what we did other day. We've got a couple of boards on. That's a staircase we put in. We just started boarding up here, and then we've just put this. This is just going to go like that. I'll have some lights in there, light there. We've got to do all this. This board's just sat on at the minute. It's not. We haven't got that stuck on or screwed. But this is up in attic. So this is it. So what it is, we can't move these straps. So we're just going to cut up boards to them. And that says Kingspan, and we're going to do that. So let's crack on with it. We're going to start with ceiling first, I think. So we've got these are for spotlights. They're going to go in after, but we've got to pull this one through, I think. Yeah, smoke. So that's smoke detector. We're going to pull that one through. We've measured that. It is what was it? 1260. From there to there, but we want it a full board. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the board in the centre, and then we'll just drag these in 30mm on each side, which will give us the 1200 that we need. Right, let's crack on. Yeah.
How's it just not looking over them? Yep. Yeah. Oh.
Yeah.
You're bang on there, you like it?
Yeah. Ceiling's done. We've got the smoke through, and we've just take that joint here. So we're just cutting these. You see, these knives are brilliant. You get a knife. Big long knife with it, and then you get a knife chisel as well, which is pretty good, which is all mashed up because I've been bashing hell out of stuff. So I just use that for, like, if I need to hack a joist out, I just smash that in. But these are mega sharp, and you just resharpen them. I've had it probably a year, still really sharp. It's got no wear to it. They're brilliant, but to be fair, I use them for, like, if you need to carve a bit of wood. I don't like just whack it on metal and stuff, otherwise I think it would damage it. But yeah, they're brilliant for cutting stuff like this. There's line.
Yeah.
From there to there to here. To there. There, yeah?
Yep.
Yeah, I'll put it laid on top.
Yep.
Yeah. So these are the little caps we've been using. So they go that way, that goes into your Kingspan, and then your screw goes that way like that, and that holds it up. Don't need to really measure these, we've been like boards. We can just score it. Trying. Yeah, lovely. So we've got this insulation on all the way around. So there's a cubby hole there, that'll lead into our storage. That's going to be like a cubby hole as well. We haven't done that yet, so I'm going to have to screw a board on there so we can make a platform to get to that. So we're going to do that last, but we're going to do plasterboard in now. So why didn't I do this? Why didn't I just get plasterboard with the insulation on it? Well, what it was on the plans, it just said lat it and then board it with plasterboard with the tin foil stuff on back, so 13mm, and bring it out with lats over this board here. So that's why we've covered this up. So it's got this what's it called? Well, you know, thingy tape, which you get on back at plasterboards anyway. So we're just using normal plasterboards. That's why it's all taped up. So that's why we did it this way. And it was actually cheaper to get the Kingspan than it was to buy the lats and do it in lats. So it's cheaper to do it this way. So anyway, let's crack on. Let's get some boarding done. So once you start using these lasers, you pretty much use them for everything. Just nice to keep everything straight. Good stuff. Let's crack on. So we've got all this boarded out, this attic room, it's all done. This is going to be a bedroom. But yeah, we've got all ceilings done. It's all ready for plastering now, so which is good. We've got some cubby holes. These cubby holes, we've just plastered them up, put the board on ready for plastering. Whether they're going to have doors on it in future, who knows, but at least it can be plastered and we can bob them on later on if we need to. But downstairs, we've still got, on the ground floor, we've still got all the concreting to do. And on the first floor, this floor, we've got to get all this boarded out. So who knows what we're going to be doing, whether we're going to be doing the ground floor or the first floor. But I guess we'll find out in the next one. So that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this one, and we'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. See you later.